London Diaries. Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video, you're coming with me to spend an afternoon in London. It is summer, currently 24 degrees. It's Friday night, weekend is starting, so we've decided with my siblings, since everybody else is busy doing their own stuff, to go ride bikes all the way to Battersea and make a picnic over there, and then probably just shop around and have a good time. Battersea is one of my favorite places in London, and sometimes Battersea has many events going on, cool things that are happening, and so it's a cool place to go to walk around. If you haven't been to Battersea, I definitely recommend you to go there. So come along with us. But before we do that, I do have a drink that I want to make before we head off. Taste this. Seems a bit frothy. Not bad. Not bad. Thanks to everyone who has made it to the end of this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, considering subscribing, and stay tuned for more videos. See you very soon. Bye.